Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the iDOO Electric Mop. A powerful dual-motor spin mop designed to tackle stubborn stains and dirt on any surface, from hardwood to marble floors. This cordless electric mop comes with a 2-in-1 sprayer for cleaning and waxing, and an LED headlight to illuminate dirt in hard-to-reach areas, making cleaning a breeze. Equipped with a detachable 2600 mAh battery, it offers a long runtime of up to 60 minutes after just 2.5 hours of charging, allowing you to clean large areas up to 2,350 square feet without breaking a sweat. The freely adjustable design lets you maneuver effortlessly with a 180-degree swing from left to right and a 90-degree tilt from front to back, so you can clean under furniture without bending or crawling. Its self-propelled feature means you can easily change direction with a slight twist of the handle, reducing manual labor and making it a truly effortless cleaning experience. The upgraded transparent water tank allows you to monitor the water level at a glance and refill it with ease, leaving behind the traditional methods of electric mops. This mop is not just a cleaning tool but a perfect gift for your family or friends, adding convenience and comfort to their home life while letting love and cleanliness coexist. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.